Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My story 6, Cap Seller and Monkeys. Do you want to make personal change for growth? Then this video will help you. Please spare 5 minutes and watch the video fully. I thank my supporters. First, I thank my family. I thank 442 subscribers. Please support by subscribing. Only 30% of viewers have subscribed, so please subscribe. I thank 4,618 viewers from so many countries. So now we begin the story for personal change and growth. Well friends, once upon a time there was a cap seller called Santa. He loved children. So he makes colorful caps and he loved meeting children, giving them caps. He sold it at so cheap that even poor children can buy it. That particular day he moved to 3 villages, and after selling caps for 3 villages, he was tired. He was not able to walk anymore. So he was looking for a place to take rest. He saw a huge tree. He went under the tree, kept his basket of caps and sat there, went for a sleep. After some time, he woke up. But he was surprised because his basket was empty. He was feeling sad. He was looking here and there for clues to find his caps, but did not find. He suddenly heard chattering noise from the treetops. He looked up and found that there are a lot of monkeys wearing his caps. They were all, happy wearing caps. He was feeling sad. As a child, he was thinking how to get the caps back from monkeys. He suddenly found one idea that monkeys imitate. So he picked the cap and thrown towards monkeys, thinking that the monkeys will imitate. As suspected, monkeys have removed the cap and thrown towards cap seller. He collected all the caps, put it in the basket and moved away very fast. This is the story we all heard as children. Now we go to the next version for personal change and growth. The cap seller was sad when he lost all his caps. He was wondering ideas. He used his child intuition and creativity and found one idea, monkey's copy. So he took his cap, thrown towards monkeys. But to his surprise, monkeys did not imitate throwing the caps. they were wise enough. They were told that not to copy human being. Well, friends, you all know that in early childhood, children copy the parents, how they talk, what they do, all the behaviors. So the parents have to be wise. What to tell, what to tell the children, how to behave, keeping in mind that everyone has value, dignity, worth, and we have to relate to the people and have an attitude. Everyone is okay, I am okay, you are okay attitude. Well, friends, we need to change ourselves. Without change, growth is not possible. So I have planned a online session in January 20th to 23rd, 4 to 6. So to please join my online session. To join my online session, please send me message on my WhatsApp 9822876170. Thank you.